Welcome to UTechSpiration channel. Imagine peering into the night sky and knowing that a colossal black hole lurks at the center of our galaxy, the Milky Way. This supermassive black hole, known as Sagittarius-a*, is an awe-inspiring cosmic phenomenon that continues to captivate astronomers and enthusiasts alike. It is a mysterious and powerful entity, hidden within the dense core of our galaxy, casting its gravitational influence far and wide. For years, scientists have speculated about the existence of a dark and massive object at the core of the Milky Way. Today, we know with certainty that this object is a supermassive black hole, a region in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its grasp. Supermassive black holes are not your typical celestial objects. Unlike stars or planets, black holes are regions of space where matter has collapsed under its own gravity to an unfathomably small size. Despite their petite dimensions, supermassive black holes wield immense power, often with masses millions or even billions of times that of our Sun. These cosmic giants lurk at the centers of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way, exerting a gravitational pull that governs the motion of stars and gas around them. Understanding supermassive black holes requires us to delve into the realms of extreme physics. The discovery of supermassive black holes has not only deepened our understanding of galaxy formation but also provided a glimpse into the early universe. The discovery of Sagittarius-a* was a landmark moment in the field of astronomy. In the 1960s, radio astronomers first detected a bright radio source emanating from the center of the Milky Way. This mysterious signal hinted at the presence of an extraordinary object, sparking curiosity and further investigation. Using advanced telescopes and infrared observations, scientists detected the rapid movement of stars near the Milky Way's center. These stars, known as S-stars, exhibited peculiar orbits, suggesting they were being influenced by an unseen massive object. By meticulously tracking their paths, astronomers calculated the mass of this hidden entity to be about 4 million times that of our Sun, a supermassive black hole. Section 4. The colossal characteristics of Sagittarius. A*. Sagittarius. A* is a gravitational titan possessing a mass approximately 4 million times that of our Sun. Despite its immense mass, this supermassive black hole is relatively compact, with a diameter of only about 44 million kilometers, comparable to the distance between Mercury and the Sun. Its gravitational pull is so intense that it dictates the motion of stars and gas within a significant radius, creating a dynamic and chaotic environment at the heart of the Milky Way. Stars orbit the black hole at incredible speeds, some traveling at over 8% the speed of light. Additionally, clouds of gas and dust swirl around Sagittarius-a*, occasionally being drawn into the black hole's grasp and emitting bursts of high-energy radiation as they spiral inward. Despite its powerful presence, Sagittarius-a* is relatively quiet compared to other supermassive black holes, which can exhibit dramatic outbursts and jets of energy. Section 5. Observations into the abyss. Missions and significance. The study of Sagittarius-a* has been revolutionized by a series of groundbreaking observations and missions. One of the most significant milestones was achieved by the Event Horizon Telescope, or EHT project, an ambitious international collaboration aimed at capturing the first-ever image of a black hole's event horizon. In 2019, the EHT made history by capturing an image of the black hole at the center of the galaxy, M87, providing a new perspective on these cosmic giants. Although Sagittarius-a* has yet to be imaged in the same detail, efforts are ongoing, promising new insights into its structure and behavior. NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory, for example, has provided invaluable data on the high-energy phenomena occurring near the black hole. By studying these celestial titans, we not only unravel the secrets of the cosmos, but also gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate forces that govern our universe.